Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is Sara with Learn Urdu with Sara. Today I'm going to teach you how to put sentences together in Urdu and what are the basic elements in Urdu sentence structure. And this lesson is suitable if you're an absolute beginner and just starting out in Urdu or Hindi. Even if you're an intermediate or elementary learner, I think it is always good to learn and review your basic grammar. The way we are going to do it is we are going to learn the essential verb in English, which is the verb to be. In Urdu, this verb to be is hona. Hona. And here you can see the shortest sentence in English, which is I am. Remember that here we are going from right to left because the Nastaliq script is from right to left. Therefore, we are always going to study from right to left. I is the subject and am is the present tense form of the verb to be. Now, how you can say I am in Urdu? I in Urdu is मैं, which is the subject, I. And what will be the translation of am in Urdu? What is the present tense form or the conjugate form of the verb hona in Urdu? It is whom. So the sentence is मैं hूँ, which is I am. Now, मैं is always going to end with whom. Now, those of you who don't know the Nastaliq script, I wrote down the Romanized script here as well. Now, look at this sentence structure. The subject, verb, and object. I hope you all recognize it. It is a basic sentence structure in English, SVO system. So in Urdu, the subject is in the start and the verb is in the end of the sentence. And in between the subject and the verb, you can insert the object, verb, adverb, adjective, postposition, preposition, and all these kind of elements of Urdu sentences. So the subject, the object, and the verb. This is the Urdu sentence structure. Subject, object, and verb. Let's say I want to say I am Sara. How I'm going to say that? I'm going to say मैं Sara हूँ. मैं Sara हूँ. Try it with your name. Now let's say you are American. How are you going to insert the adjective of nationality between the subject and the verb? You're going to say मैं American हूँ. मैं American हूँ, which means I'm American. In Urdu, the ra sound is kind of sharp. It is a rolling R. मैं American हूँ. And then, what if you are Japanese? How are you going to say that? मैं जापानी हूँ. मैं जापानी हूँ. Now, what if you are a British person? British. You're going to say मैं बरतानवी हूँ. मैं बरतानवी हूँ. And this is how you can tell your nationality, your name, your occupation, and whatever. You just insert it between the verb, between the subject and the verb. Let's say you want to insert a negative particle in a sentence. The negative particle, no or not, in Urdu is nahi. Nahi. So you're going to insert a negative particle before the verb. So for example, you're saying I'm not Chinese. You're going to say मैं Chinese नहीं हूँ. मैं Chinese नहीं हूँ. And isn't it very simple? Isn't it easy? And so, you know what Chinese in Urdu is chini. And chini has other meaning as well, which is sugar. Chini, sugar, Chinese. मैं चीनी नहीं हूँ. Let's say you want to say I'm not stupid. How are you going to say that? You're going to say that मैं बेवकूफ़ नहीं हूँ. मैं बेवकूफ़ नहीं हूँ. And as you can see on the screen, there are many adjectives and noun, and let's insert them one by one in a sentence. मैं खूबसूरत हूँ. I'm beautiful. The kha sound again doesn't exist in English script, so it is kind of we are kind of producing it from the larynx, from तो kha. मैं खूबसूरत नहीं हूँ. मैं अक्लमंद हूँ. मैं लड़का हूँ. मैं लड़की हूँ. As you can see in Urdu, ladka, boy, ladki, girl. In Urdu, we have noun genders, and I am going to discuss that in another lesson. Let's say the last. Let's insert the last noun, which is student, talib ilm. मैं talib ilm हूँ. That concludes our lesson, and I hope that you enjoyed the lesson and you learned the basic sentence structure. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Consider subscribing if you are a learner of Hindi or Urdu, because I'm going to post a lot of interesting content from now on, and that will surely help you with your language journey and language acquisition. I hope that you have a lovely day, and goodbye.